Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop the floating circle by disabling the accessibility shortcut. First, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. On iOS, look for Assistive Touch. On Android, search Accessibility menu. Once found, toggle it off. If the circle came from a third-party app, long press its icon, choose App Info, and disable overlay permissions. After you change settings, close the affected app or force stop it and reopen to confirm the overlay is gone. If the circle is a magnifier or lens, disable that specific feature. Navigate to Accessibility, right arrow magnification or magnifier, and switch style to off or change from window/lens to full screen so it no longer shows a circular viewport. Make sure any triple tap or shortcut that triggers magnification is disabled to prevent accidental activation. Once done, test by tapping where the circle appeared, and if it still shows, reboot the device to clear cached accessibility sessions. If the circle is permanent, visible across apps and the home screen, this may be burn-in or stuck pixels rather than an overlay. First confirm by displaying a pure white and then pure black full screen image. A persistent circle indicates hardware. Try a pixel fixer or color cycling app for 10 to 30 minutes to nudge stuck pixels back. If nothing changes, make sure to back up data and contact the manufacturer or a repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: test with an external display to rule out GPU versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.